Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Cart Bubble widget so you can create a smooth and seamless browsing experience for your shoppers. This widget helps reduce friction, keeps your customers engaged, and makes product discovery feel effortless. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. Customizing your Debutify theme. Click on Theme Settings. Select the cart and there you can see Bubble. To enable or disable it, click on Free Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Theme Settings, Cart. Here you can customize all settings. Customization options. You'll find several customization options. Let's go through each one step by step. Enable Cart Bubble animation. Toggle this on to bring your cart bubble to life with smooth animation, or switch it off for a simple static look. Animation type. Now for the fun part, animations. You can choose from a variety of effects to make your cart bubbles stand out. Bounce. Makes the bubble jump a little. Perfect for grabbing attention. Flash. A quick blink to draw the eye. Pulse. Smoothly expands and contracts like a heartbeat. Shake X. A playful left-to-right shake. Shake Y. A gentle up and down motion. Ta-da! A cheerful shake and scale combo. Adds some personality. Heartbeat. A rhythmic pulse that feels alive and inviting. Interval time. This sets how often the animation repeats. For example, 5 seconds means the animation will trigger every 5 seconds. Duration time. This controls how long the animation plays each time. For example, 1 second means each animation lasts exactly 1 second. Size. Choose your bubble size. Small, compact and less intrusive. Medium, nicely balanced. Recommended for most stores. Large. Large for maximum visibility. Position. You can choose where the cart bubble appears on your store. Here are the 4 options. Top left. Displays in the top left corner for a clean left-aligned design. Top right. Appears in the top right corner for easy access, a common layout choice. Bottom left. Positioned at the bottom left for a subtle, less intrusive experience. Bottom right. Displays in the bottom right corner, ideal for mobile-friendly designs. It's all about what feels right for your layout and audience. Now, let's make it match your brand. Background color. From Inherit, we can apply our default color scheme, and from Custom, we can choose Custom Color Scheme. Custom background color. Simply choose the exact color that fits your store's vibe. Border color. From Inherit, we can apply our default color scheme, and from Custom, we can choose Custom Color Scheme. Custom border color. Set the custom border color for your cart bubble. Opacity. You can also adjust how transparent your cart bubble appears. For example, 100% means it's fully solid, while lowering the value makes it more subtle. And that's it. Your Cart Bubble widget is all set up and customized. By personalizing these settings, you'll deliver a shopping experience that's smooth, engaging, and hard to forget. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.